Well guys, this is really unfortunate. We had a bit of a disaster with the pond here. I just came out to the yard and all the water's gone. I can still see we can find 4 of the mature fish. We've got 5 total. They're still alive. They're surviving in that couple inches of water there. I'm just so happy I saw this when I did. Unfortunately, this is what happened. This pond spitter here, which pumps water out from the pond and out through the mouth of this turtle, this hose was disconnected. So I'm pretty sure, well, it had to be one of the dogs knocked it off. So I'm in a rush right now to get this pond filled back up with water. I'm going to need to treat the water first, which is why I'm filling this container here up so that I can put the pond conditioner into here. It instantly works. It basically dechlorinates the water. It breaks the molecules of the chloramine, the ammonia, so it's safe to put back into the pond. You don't just want to fill the pond directly up from the hose. You can see all the little baby fish. They've all survived. The bees are wondering what the heck is going on. This could have been a lot worse had I not come out here when I did to see this. All the plants are still alive, even though their roots are all dried up on the rocks. You can see, well, the roots aren't really dry yet, but they would be. It's going to be a hot day again today, 100 degrees, so I should have better safeguarded that pond spitter. I actually was aware that this could be a potential issue, and I did nothing to better secure the hose onto this pond spitter. I need to put a hose clamp or something on there so that this cannot pull off. The kit didn't come with one. Anyway, I'm going to get this pond filled up. Hopefully the fish are able to acclimate okay. I mean, the water is a very important part of this whole system functioning correctly, the good bacteria that is developed. So when you do add a lot of water at one time, the fish might not react in a positive way. So we're hoping for the best here. You can see back in the little cove there, we got another one of our fish just kind of trying to survive, hanging out there. Poor guys. They're actually doing a great job holding on to life. Alright, so now that I've got the water in the container, this is about 30 gallons when it's full to the top. I'm just going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of this pond primer solution. That's all it takes. And now I'm going to pump this water into the pond. I'm going to repeat this process several times as the pond is about 450 gallons. Here's the pump I use when I'm adding water into the pond. This is a Drummond, picked up over at Harbor Freight. This thing has actually worked very well. It was affordable. It's under $50. And you'll see how quickly it's able to pump water from this garbage can into the pond. That just goes right down in there. And I'll put the end of the hose into the pond and plug it on in. It's also a good thing that I've got this sun umbrella here, which is helping to shade the pond right now. The combination of the sun here comes the spitter back on.
Oh my god, how come it is in my...
Alice just got sprayed in the butt with the pond spitter. I got both the pumps unplugged at this point.
But I am happy to see them. Now they're happy.
Oh yeah, they're already starting to move now.
Yeah.
They're saying, thank goodness.
How come it's so fast, honey?
Yeah, it's very fast. It's, you can see almost 25 gallons of water have been pumped in now in like less than a minute. I'm not sure what the flow rate is on this model, but I think we're going to be okay, thankfully. Just saw this right in the nick of time. Okay, so that's the first round. I'm going to refill this container, treat it, and pump it in.
Now they're moving.
Yep, and repeat that a few times. They're starting to wake up.
It's a lot of bees.
Here's a dragonfly.
Dragonfly is flying too. Three of these fish are here. It's starting to get moving. Can we feed?
Not yet.
They look like a bus. You know the bus that they are starting to get going, backing up, and is starting to get going. But look at these kids, you know. He's trying to come over here, but there is
That's what I
no.
was wondering, if he's trapped over there.
Yeah, because she can't. She's so big. Now he's trying to.
Here he comes. There he is, back with the family.
Yeah. Here you go. Oh, he's happy.
Alright, so this is going to be the last batch of water. It's taken me about 2 hours to get this pond filled back up. But the system is completely functioning now. I consider myself and the ecosystem that surrounds this pond, all the life that depends upon it, to be very fortunate. This is something that could have been completely prevented. And I'm going to go out now and go get a hose clamp to get that hose secured. But anyway, the good news is everything survived. The plants survived, the fish survived. And we'll see how things rebound. I'm expecting the fish to kind of slow down and hide away. They're kind of hunkering down right now with this extreme water change. Occasionally with a pond like this, or even larger, you'll do a water change. And you really don't want to do more than about a quarter of the total body of water at a time to prevent shock to the fish. And so this is just about a complete water change. But it's a lot better than the situation I found them in. So I have a really good feeling everything's going to work out. But I will give you guys an update, and we'll follow up and see how everything went, but learn from my mistake. If you've got yourself a pond or you're thinking about building a pond, cross your T's, dot your I's, prevent stuff like this from happening. This could have really gone bad. Unfortunately, I caught it in time, and it looks like everything's going to work out. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you're all having a good weekend. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Wishing you all a great rest of your day. I'll be talking to you again soon. Take care.